Well, good morning, everyone. Dave Cook at D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. So we are doing live on-site cabinet training today. So these are our 4 cabinet painters now, and we are training all of them on-site. We've done all the stuff in the shop, so now it's Jerry, who's actually the youngest at 19, but he has 3 years of spraying, and he is the cabinet painter for our company right now. He does an amazing job. He can actually outspray me on any job, so he's a great asset that we have. So we're using Jerry to go and teach today on how we take doors off, how we clean, how we number, how we mask, the whole 9 yards. So today is a complete training day, so everyone is getting the exact same training. Our processes are written, that we've read them, we reviewed them, everyone has a copy of them, and we will use them, and everyone has a copy that they can use for reference. That way we're making sure we're not making a copy of the copy, but we're all following the exact same system and process to get things done. So taking off doors, making sure we tape the tops, or everywhere there's tape, that's where we hang them. All the hardware's coming off. The homeowners bring in new hardware that we're going to be installing to make sure that we can drill out for the new holes. They'll be taking the doors off. All the holes will be masked. They're learning a couple of good things today because a lot of the screws are stripped. So they're trying to figure out how to get the doors off with stripped screws. And then it's a little tricky because we have no countertops, so we'll have to just be careful when we're masking and we don't put any pressure on there if that falls through. These are oak cabinets, so we are going to be rolling on the first coat of primer to fill in the grain, power sand it, put a second coat on there, power sand it, and then spray all of our finish coats. And then we're painting the whole house also. One room we haven't painted here in the kitchen, so it kind of helps us out, so we won't have to mask the walls. We'll have to mask the ceiling, and we'll spray everything, and then we can come back and paint the walls when everything's done. So just an example of some of the training that we do and we're committed to make sure you get the best possible quality that we can offer. If you have questions about painting your oak cabinets or painting any other cabinets for that matter, give us a call to D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.